Valheim. Right. Tell them how many hours have we spent in this game.
44.
That is fine. Yours is more than that.
Mine says 50.
Okay, 40 hours in the span of how many days have you played for? 5? 5 days?
I don't know.
4?
I think it's 5.
5-ish.
5.
Yeah, 5-ish. Yeah, well, we're totally not addicted to Valheim, right?
Yeah, totally. It's not that every night we play this game until morning.
No. Of course not.
No.
Ah.
One day we go to the mountains and then like we decide to like take a small peek and see what would be interesting around the mountains, and then like I decided to, hey, cute wolf, time to
Yeah.
and I died. And my stuff is now in the mountains and I'm trying to retrieving it. This is basically ZEA's armor.
Yeah. So Rai died. Cute wolves, but very deadly. Rai died. I ran away, being chased by like 3 wolves and 1 wyvern.
Yes.
I survived, frightened. He lost all his items. I told him to drop his items. Drop unimportant items because we would die. But no, Rai was so confident that we would survive it.
We survive. And then cute wolf came. Very cute wolf. And I died.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's so beautiful. Shiny drink. I would drink this drink for no reason because it's just shiny.
Don't.
Looks so shiny. Okay, why is
Okay.
Yes.
I hope they add more things like more boss, more environments.
Yeah,
Probably.
more boss, more environment.
What if after we go to Valhalla, it was a trap? All of it was a trap, and then we fight Odin. That would be so good, so good. Or we fight other gods. I don't know.
I fight noodles.
Okay. You wish to kill God? Hey, I am a Shin Megami Tensei player, okay? Okay. Two last hit. Or maybe 3, I don't know. Ah! Hello, it's me. I've been wondering. Hello.
Oh wait, you died.
It's me. Why do you think I suddenly sing? I'm sorry, I failed to dodge. I suck. Rai sounds a bit quiet. Oh, wait, let me just boost.
I'm quiet. Quiet crazy.
Okay.
I punch you to death. Never just go.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna punch it to death.
I want to.
It's already died, so
yeah,
it's
it already died. It died. I'm going to punch you to death.
To death.
Or should I say I'm gonna punch you to the living?
Oh my god, I'm out. Oh my god, okay.
Yeah, right there.
Oh my god, you're stupid! I'm not lost. I was taking a detour. I'm juking the wolves, yeah.
I see what you're doing. Okay. I'm just gonna keep playing the house just, because I get lost sometimes.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah. Oh wait, wrong way. Why am I lost? I'm not lost, by the way. No. You know. What's happening? What are you doing? Why are you on the mountain?
I'm trying to get my stuff back. Yeah, there it is. That's my stuff. Okay, good.
Yeah, try to go back safely.
Why can't I take everything? Because I have items here? I have items. Oh no, there's wolf. I thought I was naked. Why am I not? Oh, that's why, because I took my other stuff. Oh, that's right.
What?
Okay.
What?
Wait.
Find wood. I want to find wood. But not this big tree. This big tree is beautiful. I don't wanna take it down. Oh, find wood. Okay. Nice.
Boars, are you gonna help me?
They're not gonna. Oh my god. Okay.
Boar, please help me. But they are helping me.
He's
again, but
freezing
they
it
die.
in underwear. Rai, what are you doing right there?
I'm trying to survive.
Why in your underwear? Why are you freezing?
Yeah,
He
I'm
likes
fine,
he likes danger. He's a bad boy.
Yes, my blood boils for danger. I need danger more. The euphoria, yes. Skeleton.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. See, even the wolves are scared of me now. They ran away. Oh, they ran away.
Go back then. Chase them.
Oh, don't worry. I will. I'll let them live for another day. Poor wolves. Poor wolves. Okay. Yep. I have made portal.
Nice.
Playing as bad cop
Rearranging
today.
things feels
I
better.
always been a bad cop. You just don't know. Oh!
Are you okay? I'm like grilling meat here, and then you just go. Oh, no.
It's just my manliness practice. Being manly and all is kind of hard.
This swamp looks awful. It was.
It was really awful the first time we come here. Everything just tries to kill us. We just can't get inside the swamp.
Everything is aggressive here. No single, what's it called? Passive creatures that like peace. No. They all want to kill us. Everything kills one here wants to kill us, and